Quotes by Henry Ford. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Don't find fault, find a remedy. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Failure is the key to success. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Thinking is the hardest work there is. Most people get ahead during the time that others waste. You don't have to hold a position to be a leader. Vision without execution is hallucination. Don't mistake activity for achievement. Obstacles cannot crush me. Every obstacle yields to determination. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. A man who stops advertising to save money is like a man who stops a clock to save time. Most people spend more time going around problems than trying to solve them. You can have any color car as long as it is black. There is no disgrace in honest failure. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worrying about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. The secret of success is understanding the other person's point of view. Money doesn't change men, it merely unmasks them. The only thing worse than training employees and losing them is not training them and keeping them. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes rise to the stars. If you think something is impossible, you make it impossible.